Don't study on those 5 fields, study these 5 fields in order making better life for your future. Watch this video carefully and get to know what are the demanded fields for at least 5 or 10 years. Hello and welcome back to my channel again. Now I'm gonna make a brand new video for you. As you see from the description, this video will be about the next 5 or 10 years demanded job list and what you shouldn't study in order making better life for you. Watch this video carefully and take some notes. Also, if you are thinking about studying abroad or changing your fields, this video will completely guide you. You will know what to do, how to do, where to start. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what is this channel for, basically I'm making videos for integrating abroad plans or any abroad plans related to academic and professional purposes. Don't forget to hit that button below, subscribe to this channel, also give me a thumbs up for helping me to grow with you together and also helping me to fight with YouTube algorithm. Here we go, let's start. I will give you 5 lists for changing your fields to demanded fields. Why? Because if you are studying in those 5 fields and you are still young, next 5 or 10 years your field will be removed from the market, then you will need to study again or to figure out how to make your life. And also I will give you how to change your study fields to well-demanded job and also well-paid jobs. In this video I will cover everything for you and will give you what field will not be replaced at all. First, this is really interesting and I didn't know how it happened, but slowly it's starting to replace this field. HR field will be completely replaced with e-recruitment. If you don't know what is e-recruitment, I will give you the brief information and later on you can Google it and just for you to get familiar if it is your field. Why human resource jobs will be replaced by e-recruitment? Because in some countries, in some companies, there are some conflict of interest, or for example, you are applying to this job and your friend is working there, he or she can recommend you. This is the reason for avoiding conflict of interest and what e-recruitment will do instead of HR managers. The company will load all their requirements and the system will automatically search on their database who applied to this position and what people wrote on their CV or the motivation letter, cover letter, something like that. The system will automatically evaluate and will find the best candidate for this certain position. In that case, you will not need to meet with several candidates and find if that person is suitable for this position or no, and you can make some mistakes, but e-recruitment will do everything instead of the HR managers and will find the best candidates for this company, because it sees that in the past years that person made this success, and it is possible that system will evaluate past performance also, because all information will be loaded on the system. And if you are working in certain countries and they have all social security numbers or social insurance number, whatever the person is doing while working, everything will be noted there, and based on that system it will give you the best choice. And that's why if you want to study in HR field, change it to e-recruitment for finding better jobs, well-paid jobs in the future. If you don't do it, unfortunately you will lose your job in the future. That was the first one. Let's go to the second one, and unfortunately I have to mention this field, even it's my own field, but I see from my own perspectives also. Electrical engineering will be replaced to electronics or power electronics field. Why? Because the electrical engineering normally they do with the high voltage power engineering jobs, but they are making new devices, new equipment or machines which will be replaced by power electronics. Just imagine all the big machines will be operated by just small chips or small electronic devices. If you are thinking to choose these electrical engineering fields, and you have to consider in the future it will be replaced by power electronics, electronics, and material science. I know it from my own field. As you know, and you watch my videos, you subscribe my channel, you already know me. I'm studying in Canada electrical engineering, but I studied in Europe also. 5 years ago it was very popular, and later on I see even the syllabus of the many universities replacing slowly by power electronics, electronics engineering, and material science. Take into mind, make the better decision for you. The third one, logistics and transportation field. You can think that how this can be replaced by any other fields or any other futures, but I can say you, even in pandemic, you can think all the businesses are operating, all the businesses are working without any problems, and the logistics, transportation were doing really great job and successfully were hitting the business success. But it's not like that, because for example Amazon warehouse, they have the biggest marketplace in the world. They are doing all logistics and meeting your demands, transporting your all goods. But how it is selecting, packing, or sorting out, Big Brother is doing everything for us. Big Brother is artificial intelligence. Yes, artificial intelligence is doing really good job for logistics and transportation. Of course, it has covered many fields, but logistics and transportation in the future will be completely changed by artificial intelligence. And that's why if you are thinking transportation, logistics will be really good for you, for maybe working in the port cities or doing this kind of business, you have to change it to artificial intelligence. Still, you can study in logistics and transportation, but it has to be correlated by artificial intelligence. Take into mind, don't make mistake. In the future you will make huge amount of money. You will be thankful for this video, believe in me. Let's go to another field, telecommunication and radio electronics. This field is really very popular and well demanded job, but unfortunately it will be also replaced by cybersecurity or antenna study fields. Why? If you are working for telecommunication companies or provider interface companies, still you will need to change it to cybersecurity. You need to make your all providers interface are safe and not to get hacked by any other companies or any other countries. I can tell you the reason of choosing this field. Think that you are getting some power from another country, but it is transporting by some power cables or fiber optic cables. Yes, in somehow some guys hacking those cables and changing completely the providers with different addresses, and then it will be hacked. And that's why cybersecurity guys will be hero in this manner. Again, don't forget to hit that button below, subscribe this channel, also give me a thumbs up for helping me to grow with you together. Let's go to another field, business management, business administration, or finance, economics. This will not be needed anymore, will not be needed. Okay, don't apply to the universities or study abroad plans for this manner, and studying in any countries for business management, economics, finance. Don't do it. Apply for data analytics. This is the really good job for future, and I can tell you that even started from now, this data analytics guy is doing really a great job instead of us. For example, you are living in this country, in this city, and you want to sell something in your area. You don't know what are the demands for your people, for the locals. Yes, you need to make some survey. In the past years, you were going to some stores or going out in the parks or somewhere else and making some list and forms. You were doing surveys. What you buy in your daily basis, or how you spend your $100 for the month. This is the human factor for doing survey. But right now, data analytics guy doing instead of people. Data analytics sorting all filterization instead of you, and finding the well demanded item, product, color even, will help you to make your business more successful. If you don't know how people prefer for wearing in the summer or in the winter, or basically just how people applying to the jobs, or what is the demanded job in your area, you don't know. Yes, if you check the data analytics for past 5 years or 10 years, data analytics will completely evaluate everything instead of you, will give you the best match based on your interest. And that's why change your field to data analytics. Those 5 fields will be replaced, these 5 fields which I gave you. Now I'm gonna give you the list of fields which will not be replaced and still will be demanded for the future years. What are those fields? Medicine, biomedical engineering, telemedicine, lawyer. Why they will not be replaced with another fields? I will tell you why. Let's say you are living in Europe, non-EU countries, and you want to move America or any other countries. You will need lawyer to deal with documentation, some processes, and if you have some problem about the immigration, or you want to start new business, run your business, still you will need lawyer. Yes, and that's why lawyer business will not be replaced. You can still consider for your future. And medicine, why medicine will not be replaced? Even if you are thinking that robotics or some artificial intelligence guys will do everything instead of medical stuff, still some stuff in medicine will be needed at least for next 10 years. However, telemedicine will replace all surgery stuff, or it will help for remote surgery. It already started with 5G network system, and it applied to 6G network system also. Telemedicine, if you don't know what is this for, I will not talk about this because it's a very big topic. You can check on the YouTube or somewhere else if it is interested for you. You can have better ideas and get familiar to this field. If you found very interesting information from this video, don't forget to share with your friends and also help your friends for choosing better fields in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that button below, subscribe this channel, also give me a thumbs up for helping me to grow with you together. See you in next video. Good luck. Bye bye.